going on, YouTube? Check out my 1979 Corvette. If you're new to the channel, I've been working on this project now for almost a year. Today we're gonna start sanding this bad boy down, removing some of this color off of here. I'm gonna start up top with the roof. I'm gonna work my way on down, panel to panel. Again, this is day one of my project, sanding. First time for everything, and this is it. This damn flap broke here. I don't know, put the sandpaper on here. Broke off while I was doing sanding. I think because it got too hot or something. I don't know, all the vibration, but yeah, that's all the work that I got done so far. Just sanding it down. All right, today I'm gonna focus on removing the headlights so I can continue to sand. I'll show you what I have left as far as sanding. I'm gonna start here with sanding. And like I said, once the headlights are removed, I'm gonna work my way over this way here. Then I'm gonna go under here, finish sanding there. Then I'm gonna finish sanding there. But before then, I'm gonna remove these headlights and I'm gonna get back with you once they're removed.
Yeah, I'm twisting her. Okay. She's coming. You can't get a full swing because it's a bar right here. Yeah.
All right, YouTube, welcome back. All right, I know I didn't show you a lot of getting these flip up lights removed, but it was a lot of work. I had to focus on getting it off more so than recording. But if you take a look under here, I had to start there removing those vented lights that were underneath there. And that gave me some room to kind of go through here. There was like brackets over here and screws and brackets and stuff and screws and stuff over there. It was a lot of nonsense, but I got them off. Gonna continue sanding tomorrow. Stay tuned.
All right, YouTube, so you can see right there, I'm trying to work on getting that one last screw out of there. Whatever, it's a pain in my ass right now, but I'm gonna keep working, getting it out. You can see it, that one right there. All right, so like when I took all these screws out the top here, that made the bumper looser. But now it's something here on the edge and something here on the inside holding it together. And I believe it's something like back over in that area, like some of those screws and stuff is holding on. So I got to figure out how I'm gonna get those off. But I believe that those are like the last things. Maybe some stuff at the bottom, but I believe those are the last things that's holding on to this bumper. All right, YouTube, so I figured out how to get those brackets off on the passenger side. See, I got it halfway off. Keep on working on that side. I'll check back with you when I get this thing off.
All right, and just like that, the bumper has been removed.
If I could backtrack, there's a lot of screws here that you had to remove. They were like inside the car here. Then there were a lot of brackets behind off in this area over here too, and whatnot. I seen on a video the guy put a hole in the light fixture to kind of get to those screws, but I don't think that that was necessary. All you got to do is kind of remove this light fixture area here, or flip up light area or whatnot, but it's out. So it's time to sand and finish up this video. And just like that, project sanding is complete. You notice here that I got my headlights removed. Not going back to flip up headlights, too outdated for me. Also got the bumper removed. Gonna replace that also with something fiberglass, with the new fiberglass style bumpers. Going on down to the passenger side here. You see I still got this mirror on here. That's because there are no bolts on the outside of this mirror here. They're all in the inside, so eventually I'm gonna have to take the door off and do some more sanding, stuff like that. This is just the first stage, or part one, you should say, of project sanding. On down to the back, like I said, definitely gonna replace the rear bumper as well with something fiberglass, updated
Took the gas cap off. I'll replace that as well with something new, bulletproof, brushed steel. I don't know, I haven't made up my mind with that one yet. Got the antenna gone, outdated as well. Same with the mirrors on this side. Got to do some more sanding up at the top too on my T-tops. Now, if you enjoyed this video, which I believe you did, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.